Hello guys, nandilak nandam chion hamo atuni chu koram chungthong pang toy ten kan nak chim than lai. Atunia kan chimding mi chu NUG chawza ni uncontrol me area chunga police department dir antip na kong tlompal kan nak chim lai. NUG chawza ni araul hana Ministry of Home and Immigration Ministry tanga People Police Forces timi dir antip na kong chu nizanti niya kan an hunpuan NUG chawza Home Affairs and Immigration Minister asmi ulun kulat ni achimi chu People Police Forces kan serdi in chun NUG chawza sina complain anto mi vial te zong hi tha tin kan tlang tlak kho chang halai sulnak ato mi chu phungning ten fak pin dan kan tat kho chang halai tia achim tu tianga NUG chawza sina complain alut mi anto mi he minung zali leng an si chang tia thai ase NUG chawza ni an ser mi People Police Forces na ni chun Civil Administration Department he nai niam ten rian an 20 lai Mipi ni bau chan ok atlak mi le tlang chung mi phun vial ten ha zong ni ani hat chan ngam mi Mipi Police an silai tia achim phone tudan na People Police Forces an dir ding mi chu ralkap ni oknak an rak lak hana pension rakla chang mi police officer pole ama lung thau ten apum pe mi Mipi na mangin dir asilai tia minister ni chun achim phone atuliwa NUG chawza he rian atun chuama mi police officer he minung thonghi le zkwale somthum le pasari an se changi CDM atu lo nain NUG chawza he nainiam ten rian atun chuama mi police officer zong he minung za leng kai an si chang tia NUG chawza ni an hun than phone atuliwa NUG chawza he rian atun ti mi a 20 choma mi police officer na laka rank asang de mi pol na chu a major ranks mi penhi captain plai ni lieutenant somli lepli le second lieutenant somli lepni na he a rank ngai de mi NUG chawza he rian a 20 mi an si dia thai se rakap ni oknak an lak nuin atu tianga CDM atu changmi police officer he andi laka minung thong rukleng an si chang tia thai ase. All right, that sound very good, right? Yeah, of course, if they can really form it, it will be very good. But do you really think that the NUG government will be able to form an effective police department that is really reliable for all of us? A lot of money will be required in order to form an effective police department. They will need to buy weapons, uniform, and a lot of things more. So NUG government still cannot even provide sufficient weapon to PDF who are openly fighting against the Minang regimes. So how will it be possible for them to buy weapons and uniform for the police department too? So how do you think about it, guys? Please comment and discuss about it below. Atutu atunia kan hunchim ko mi asi raul hana adang thong pang tate jong update kan huntu athan telai nandilak chunga lunglop nak tampi kin ngai. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. See you guys.